Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance Bitcoin address. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found at the top right. From there, select Fiat and Spot to view all your available cryptocurrencies and fiat balances. This is where you'll begin the process of finding your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Now that you're in your Fiat and Spot wallet, use the search bar to find BTC or Bitcoin. Once located, click on the deposit button associated with Bitcoin. It's crucial at this stage to carefully select the correct network for your deposit. For Bitcoin, this is typically the BTC or Bitcoin network itself, but always confirm to avoid issues. After selecting the deposit network, your unique Bitcoin deposit address will be displayed on the screen. It's a long string of characters. Below the address, you'll usually find a QR code for easy scanning. Carefully copy this address. This is the exact address you will use to send Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange to your Binance account. When sending Bitcoin, always double-check that the copied address matches the one on your screen. Also, ensure the network you selected on Binance matches the network of the platform you are sending from. Incorrect networks or addresses can lead to permanent loss of funds. Be patient, as some deposits may require several network confirmations before appearing in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.